If you're encountering an account-restricted message on Dwolla, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Review email notifications. Check your email for any messages from Dwolla. They often send notifications explaining the reason for the restriction and any actions you need to take. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Dwolla account and navigate to the dashboard. Look for any alerts or messages that provide more details about the restriction. Step 3. Verify your information. Ensure that all your account information is accurate and up to date. This includes your name, address, and banking details, as discrepancies can lead to restrictions. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow instructions. Once you receive guidance from customer support, follow their instructions carefully. This may involve submitting additional documentation or making changes to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account restricted issue on Dwolla. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.